Hello, trader. Today is 11th of September, Thursday, 2025. What a blessing day, guys. Most of the traders squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the analysis now. So, if you look at the pound dollar, and today we had a high impact news for the dollar and for the euro as well. As you can see here, the price, we had this beautiful breakout. Previous rejection, we had this beautiful short trade, this London morning session, squeeze amazing profit. And at the New York session, we had a two high impact news releases. That was the mainly CPI data and unemployment claims. So unemployment claims was very negative, which is 263K versus 235K. That created bearishness on the dollar, and we have seen all the major created bullishness. So we have this beautiful news reaction, price nicely broken, and we were able to keep taking a pullback long trade here. That was an amazing trade. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward. And if you look at here, we had this beautiful short trade here. That was the London morning session, beautiful based on the Asian session analysis, price nicely broken and pullbacks with amazing profit. And later on, just before the news, we had this beautiful counter long trade here. That's basically before the news. And after that, news picked up and squeezed amazing profit. And even after that, we have basically taken any pullback would consider high probability trade, which is you can see here, as always mentioned, price nicely broken high, previous high, and develop another pullback and two pullbacks, squeeze amazing profit. Even after that, we were just keep telling our trader just keep taking a pullbacks. So let me share with you guys, this is the last trade we had it, which is a pretty straightforward. You can see here, after this pullback we have one, two, three pullbacks on pound dollar and squeeze amazing profit, guys. What a beautiful trade, guys. If you look at the euro USD, and euro USD, we had a today we had a news that was a monetary policy statement and main refinancing rate. We haven't seen any push, but we have seen that time this push to the downside, and most of the traders squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, we can see here the US data release and employment claim, and then we have a little push to the upside. So we also had the short trade, we also had a long trade. Now let me share with you guys the first trade we had. That was a pretty straightforward. That was the before the news. We have beautiful pullback, squeeze amazing profit, and after that we had after the news data is released, and as you can see here, this is the news reaction. After that, we were looking at pullback here, which you can see the price developed pullback. Then we had another pullback and squeeze amazing profit. And then later on, we also had another beautiful pullback, as you can see here. As mentioned, our trader just keep taking a pullback. So we have another pullback, another pullback. Traders are still holding long on Euro USD. All right, let's look at the pound yen, guys. Pound yen, we have changed from 4 hour to 1 hour this chart just to make to basically specify in exact entry for our trader. And we had amazing trade, guys. You can see here we had a short trade, price nicely respected. Then we had a long trade here. Now let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. This was the pretty straightforward. Price developed a symmetry triangle pattern at the support level. Beautiful long trade here. We squeeze amazing profit. Even after that, we have another beautiful counter short trade here. Even after that, we also had a counter short trade when the price respected here. Let me share with you guys here. This was the amazing trade, guys. So you can see here, beautiful short trade on pound yen. And once the price rejected, if this level at this level, we have this long trade here. Then we also mentioned trader, look here, this is the opportunity you should be looking into it, which is pretty straightforward. We already mentioned to our trader that's going to be one more push to the upside based on the 4 hour. And if you look at the intraday, we have inverted head and shoulder pattern and price nicely broken. And after that, we are expecting another pullback. So that was a beautiful long trade at the end. So most of the traders squeeze amazing profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis review. If you want to see those analysis in real time, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.